Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the basics so we can act fast. Update Discord and the operating system, then reboot. This clears transient bugs. Once done, make sure Do Not Disturb or Focus mode is off and grant notification permission in system settings. Then open Discord, go to User Settings, Notifications, and enable Global Alerts. You'll see toggles for sounds and visual banners. Turn them on. Do that now because without system permission, Discord cannot deliver anything to your screen. Next, dig into app and server specifics to catch hidden mutes. You should inspect each server and channel. Right-click a channel or open channel notification settings and ensure nothing is set to muted or suppressed. Clear the Discord cache and, on mobile, disable battery optimization that restricts background push. Also verify Focus Assist or equivalent is disabled on your computer, and that firewall or security apps aren't blocking Discord. These steps fix cases where notifications are generated but never delivered to your device. Finish by restoring a clean state so you can isolate the problem. Sign out and reinstall Discord to replace corrupted files, then sign back in and reset notification settings to defaults. Test by sending a message from a friend or a second account to verify alerts. If notifications still fail, try logging in on another device. This distinguishes account issues from device issues. Troubleshooting tip: collect timestamps and enable developer mode to copy message ID before contacting support. Those logs speed up.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.